television network, and we are taking a look on a developing story. Emerson Mnangagwa's prospects of having Zimbabwe return to the Commonwealth have been shattered after the United Kingdom soiled whatever prospects he had. So according to ZimLive, they say Zimbabwe must reform its governance and human rights record before it is readmitted into the Commonwealth. The United Kingdom has said, effectively blocking the country's return to the body from which it was suspended in 2002. So the Commonwealth Secretariat had recommended Zimbabwe's readmission after giving member countries until November 26 to share their views. And a readmission into the Commonwealth would require all members to approve. So this is something which is very, very important, where all members are required to approve, and Zimbabwe has failed to convince the UK. That is a very, very biggest problem of President Emerson Mnangagwa's foreign policy. So he has failed. He has been jailing people unreasonably. Imagine people like Jameson Timber. They were jailed without any crime. An Amos buyer arrested without any crime. All sorts of people being arrested. So the UK's Foreign Office say that the time is not yet right to readmit Zimbabwe. In a written response to a question by Baroness Ketway in the House of the Lords, the Foreign Office said the UK has always been clear that we would like to see Zimbabwe return to the Commonwealth when the time is right. However, currently, we do not share the Secretariat's assessment of Zimbabwe's progress or readiness in line with the shared values and principles laid out in the Commonwealth Charter. So for Zimbabwe to get back into the Commonwealth, it would soil Commonwealth itself, because left, right and center, we have seen ZANU-PF engaged in corruption, mass corruption, gold looting, mineral resource looting. We have seen them involved in mass human rights abuses, arresting people willy-nilly for no reasons and no crimes, something which is questionable. So it's something else. The UK, however, they say that they would encourage a further Commonwealth assessment mission to Zimbabwe in 2025 to follow up on these areas. So the ball is in the court of Emerson Mnangagwa. He's the one who needs to adjust. If he fails to adjust, then it becomes a problem. So the Commonwealth is originally made up of 56 countries, and its roots is from Britain's empire, and African countries had called for Zimbabwe's return to the grouping. So Team Mnangagwa rekuno ku Africa aiwa raitaura kuti aiwa ngavadzoke avo baba, but it seems as if the UK vakabva vazvivharisa, and this is what happens when you fail to honor human rights. The issue of respecting other people's rights, it's an issue which must be demanded by everyone. It's an issue which is non-negotiable. Our rights must be respected. Everyone's rights must be respected. When you are arrested, you are entitled to bail. That is a right mandated to everybody. And the state does not have any reason to deny, particularly people arrested on political grounds, bail under whatsoever circumstances. So this is what is happening at this point in time. We'll continue to watch and see how they're going to improve, how they're going to deal with this matter. Are they going to stop human rights abuses? We do not know. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. Let us meet in other episodes and other